and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jasmine. Thank you for selecting this video. Welcome to Jazz Journey. Last month I was a little bit turned off. I was confused. As you know, I love to share with you guys spoilers, and I was surprised because for the month of May there was a lot of supposedly repeats. Yes, if you have a new account, it wasn't a repeat for you, but it was products we've seen in the past. But I am glad to say that in this video, I'm going to share 34 different items that is coming for the June boxes. And that means that I'm going to be sharing spoilers for all three boxes. We have new information. And I am glad to say that most of these items we have not seen previously. So they're all new. So I'm excited about that. And in fact, I have been missing getting palettes in my boxes, and the first spoiler I'm going to share with you guys are so many palettes for the base box. So let's go ahead and get started with the base box. The base box, the first sneak peek, we were expecting these three palettes: Touch and Soul, which is Fill Up Orange, and two from Share Planet, which one was a tiger collection and the other one was a polar bear collection. I was already excited with those three, but as you know, this is a base box, but it's also the month for BoxyLuxe. So some people will not be getting the base box if you're upgraded to BoxyLuxe. But if you do have the base box, that means that it's just $25. Guys, there's new information. We have some new palettes coming as well to the boxes still for the first sneak peek. So this means there's going to be plenty of variations, plenty of palettes. We have one that's called Naturally, the other one is called Spice of Life. These are all from Sueva eyeshadow palettes. Yes, we've seen some of these previously, but at least they're coming back. But at least there's going to be palettes coming to the base box. Another variation that we see, this one's called Premiere from Sueva, and then we have the other one as well that you see in the picture. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the palettes are expected for the base box. And finally, so that in total we are expecting 5 Sueva palettes, and one of those is a blush palette. So this is the colors where we're seeing. I don't know if the blush palette is going to be a variation. It may be, but just on the first sneak peek alone, are you guys surprised there's so many palettes expected in the box? Now let's go move on to the second sneak peek for the base box. As you know, the second sneak peek was on the choice item, and between those choice items there was 5 products. These were the Tula, this is an eye cream. We have Lily Lashes, which is a mascara. We have the Benefit Cosmetics Pore primer, which we did see previously, so that was a choice. And then we did receive the Artist Couture, which I have received in a previous box. So that was a choice item. But I am so happy to say that this is the third sneak peek, and this is a variation. It is confirmed that you're going to be getting the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray. This is a weightless setting spray, and it is said to hold up to 16 hours. This has so many great reviews. I will have to, if I do get it, I will have to test it out and see how it holds. But this, like I said, is a variation. And if you don't get the Smashbox for the base box, the second product will be the Purlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream. It has SPF 30. It has great ingredients, but this is going to be a light, maybe to medium coverage. Guys, I love a full coverage. I really do. But the way I've been working with my skincare, I sometimes want to go for a more natural look. And I hope that I do get this in my base box, because I would like to try this product. It also has great reviews. I'm all excited for all the products and the sneak peeks for the base box so far. So now let's go ahead and move on to the premium box. The premium box, I am excited as well. Is looking pretty good too. The premium box, we have 3 sneak peeks confirmed, and as you know, this box costs $35. And the first item we have is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. This is the contour palette, and I just can't wait to get it because every charmer is going to be getting that in their box. The second product that every charmer is going to be getting is from Glow Recipe. This is the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. From what I've seen, it's a very thick mask. It got 4 different type of avocado in it. I love Glow Recipe products. This one is meant to be more for dry skin, but one thing I'm going to try is instead of wearing it as a sleeping mask, I feel like I'm just gonna put it as a mask and remove it, since I do have oily skin. But I just can't wait to get it, and every charmer is going to be getting it. The third sneak peek was the choice item, and that choice was between 5 products. It was a Sueva eye primer, the milk. We did receive this, and guys, let me tell you, at first I was thrown off because of the size. I was confused of how it was going to work, but I am loving this product. It was a different shade, so if you selected this choice for milk, I am loving that. Now I regret not selecting it. Then the other product is a KVD lipstick. There was also a NARS lipstick, and then we have the Lashaholic lashes. So those were the 5 choices. Now let's go ahead and move on to BoxyLuxe, since that's what we have so far for the premium box. For BoxyLuxe, as you know, every charmer is going to be getting the Tarte's Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. This one retails for $49. But this is also the second sneak peek, as you see in the picture. Every charmer is also going to be getting, I believe, the Kylie skincare. This is the foam cleanser. So that is the second sneak peek that every charmer is going to be getting. And this is for the BoxyLuxe. As you know, BoxyLuxe is a box that we get 4 times in a year. So we just received it in March. Now we are expected to get it in June, and this is an upgrade. You could just go ahead and upgrade your base box, and you will be receiving the BoxyLuxe for a total price of $49.99. This was the first choice item. As you know, for BoxyLuxe, we usually have 2 choices we can make. That way we have 2 products that we're going to love in our box. So the third sneak peek, it is between Tula eye cream, this is a Tula Glow and Get It cooling and brightening eye balm, and the other option was the Lily Lashes Triple X mascara, which is the same products that you were able to see for the base box. So if you wanted this product, this will be in the base or in the BoxyLuxe, and it was a choice. Now this was our second choice. It was so many products, and most of them were also lifestyle products. We had the Swell bottles. It was one of those products to choose from, and it was very pretty. But once I went in again once it was time to make the choice, and this one went really quickly. So then we had other great products too. We had the Smile Science. This is 2 whitening pens, and when I saw the price for this, I was surprised how expensive this is. So that was another choice for that fourth sneak peek. Moving on, the other product that I want to mention, it was 2 different variations, and this is the Hallmark Collectibles. This is a satin pillowcase, and it comes with the mask. There's 2 different types. Is the one that you see that has a print, and there's one that it will be more neutral, a soft off-white or beige color. And if you pick this, you might just get one or the other of those colors. Then there was another choice, and this is from Echo, and it's gonna come a duo, and the duo it's 2 different essential oils, and this one is the woman's blend, and then you will see the other one that is like more like a mustard color. And then last is the Gasha Sculptor. I did read from all these choices, and this was the one that I selected. I have been looking for a product to help create facial massage. I want to introduce that in my skincare, and I was so excited to see this in my box as a choice, and I can't wait to get it because I'm already looking at ways to include this on my skincare routine. So all of these items, yes, I know it was so many items that we had an option from, so all those were the fourth sneak peek. Now let's go ahead and move on to the new sneak peek, which I am excited about as well. The fifth sneak peek is between Billion Dollar Brows, so I believe this is going to be a variation as well. This is the 5-piece charcoal brush set. As you see, most of them are face items or face type of brushes, and this is from the Billion Dollar Brows. I am very impressed with this company. Everything that I have received from them, I'm still using and I really like. So I hope I do get this product in BoxyLuxe, which I'm very excited for. The other variation that was just recently mentioned and confirmed is from M Green Grass. We have seen this brand before, but this is a newer product, and this is a CBD head to toe cream. And this cream, this brand loves to have great products, so you could just not use it on one part of your body, but you're able to use it in different ways. So that's what I keep seeing from this brand. So these are all of those variation, just all of the sneak peeks that we have so far for BoxyLuxe. So far we have 5 sneak peeks, and we're just probably pending just 3 more to know and have a full box reveal. Now I'm going to show you an item that is not confirmed, but it was shown to us by the CEO, which I am excited. I love anything that has AHAs and BHAs, and this is a toner that has BHA, so I'm excited to see when this is coming. So it looks like that's coming in the future. It's not confirmed yet, but I wanted you guys to know about Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA. So now, guys, let's talk about the choice date. This is a date that I don't want you guys to miss out. So go ahead and mark your calendars. This is the calendar that I kind of created it, and I wanted to show you guys that in June, early access for the base box is going to open on Monday, on June 8th. Remember, that's early access, meaning if you are subscribed, active, or in the wait list for other boxes like Premium and BoxyLuxe, then you're going to have early access. If you're just subscribed to the base box alone, that's okay. You're going to have the opportunity to make your selection the following day, which is Tuesday, June 9th. Now let's talk about Premium. If you're subscribed to the Premium box, then that is going to open on Thursday, June 11th. Remember, the choice dates are happening in the month of June, and these are going to be selections for the boxes that are going to come on the month of July. So guys, this concludes this video. I didn't want to go too much into details for all those other spoilers, since I have mentioned some of those in another video, and I don't want to make this video too long, but guys, I couldn't wait to share with you all those items that are expected. I am excited for all the 3 boxes. They're looking pretty good. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and until the next video, bye.